What's up guys, my name is Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look right here at Solana, because Solana has been making moves up 100% since the bottom right here. So if we have a look right here on the bottom, we could see that Solana just a couple weeks ago was sitting at $20.95, and we could see that this thing has been exploding ever since, pumping over 120% to the all-time high in 2023. And we could see right here that in the past week or even in the past month, Solana's up 80%. So things are looking very, very good. If we have a look at the market cap real quick, we could see that Solana sitting at a market cap of $17 billion. The volume traded is sitting at 917 million, which is close to $1 billion, which is pretty darn good. So that's what's happening right here. Let's have a look at some of the technical analysis right here. We're going to start off with a 1 hour time frame, because that is the immediate short-term time frame. We can see that Solana seems like it's bracing for it's turning into a nice little flag, bull flag, whatever you want to call it, bull pennant. But it seems like a massive breakout is imminent. I would say by tomorrow morning, we should see a massive breakout, depending you are around the world. But we should see a crazy breakout either to the upside or to the downside, whichever breaks first. Usually when we have these consolidation after a massive pump to the upside, we usually end up breaking to the upside. And that's about it. If it was a consolidation to the downside, we would break to the downside. So this was one of the pennant that we had. So we had a nice little uptrend, and then we consolidated up to the upside, boom, exploded. Now we're consolidating again, and the big question is, are we going to have that massive explosion to the upside? So that's what's happening right now for Solana on the 1 hour time frame. If we have a look at the 4 hour time frame, we could see that obviously it's respecting, and it's still quite the same, and nothing too crazy to see over here. If we have a look on the RSI, we could see that the RSI is looking pretty good in my opinion. Overall, we're gonna have to see what happens. It's just, you know, we had these two oversold regions, overbought regions on the RSI. We know that every time we are overbought on the RSI, we look for a nice little correction, and this is exactly what has been happening on Solana. And if we have a look on the daily time frame, guys, I mean, Solana is way overvalued in my opinion. We need to see some sort of slowdown, some sort of consolidation, some sort of, I would pull back, but we need to have a long form consolidation right here on Solana on the daily time frame before continuing to the upside. Whether that's going to take 3 weeks or 4 weeks doesn't matter, but we need to see some sort of consolidation, a cool off period, have the RSI come back down, maybe reach oversold region before pumping again, because obviously when we pump, we're eventually gonna have a blow up top before coming back down again and crashing back down. So this is not what we want to see. Obviously in crypto, we want to see a nice little consolidation. We need to see a nice little cool off period, kind of like the same way we had right here. We had this pump. We became overbought right here, and guess what made Solana pretty much come down to the oversold region? It wasn't that we essentially came down back to become oversold. No, we consolidated for a couple of months, I would say, for February, March, April, May. So we consolidated for like 6 months before essentially coming back down. So obviously this was a long form consolidation before being oversold again and then pumping again. So if we want to see Solana really pumping the way we saw right here and right here, let me draw it out for you guys. Right here and right here, we need to see a long form consolidation. If everyone starts to sell, that's going to be bad news bears, and that's about it. So that is my video, guys, on Solana. Is this the right time to buy? Probably not. I would wait for consolidation or the next big move, because remember, Solana can still go to $50 and then come back down or consolidate. But I think we're going to see a long form consolidation here. I think the bull market is back. I know a lot of people are going to disagree with me. That is my video on Solana. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.